If you truly want to understand how music works on its deepest level, then you need to learn chords. The chord, scale, and song exercises in these videos and the Let's Make It Fun piano series will teach you everything you need to know about chords. The videos are free, and the 6-lesson books cost less than a week's worth of visits to your local Starbucks. And just in case you're new to this channel, books 1, 4, 5, and 6 are free downloads. I'm Andrew, and here's today's chord and scale exercises. Enjoy. The benefits of these chord and scale exercises are enormous. Finger strength, finger dexterity, and increased chord knowledge are the top 3 benefits. And chords and broken chords can enhance any song. And because each of these exercises is focused to one small area of the keyboard, your note reading skills will develop at a much faster pace. My name is Andrew, and thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more great chord exercises for the piano.